Dear students, here I am going to explain the physics key of the POLYSET 2022 AP. 1 calorie is equal to 4.18 joules. This is a direct question, so 51st question answer is 4. Which of the following behaves like heat store house for the earth? So this is also direct question. Ocean is the answer. 53rd question, pick the correct match. So here water specific heat is 4180 joules per kg in Kelvin. So 1 is the correct option. 54th question, formation of dew on the surface of the cold soft drink bottle kept in air is due to condensation. The heat energy supplied to a system during the melting is known as latent heat of fusion. The device used to measure specific heat of a substance is calorimeter. If I and R are the angles of incidence and refraction respectively, then I less than R means the light ray travels from denser to rarer medium. Because in the rarer medium the speed of the light is increases, so angle of refraction is greater than angle of incidence. 58th question, the physical quantity which has no units is refractive index. So option 4 is the correct answer. A rectangular tank of depth 2 meters is full of water, refractive index is 4/3. So here the refractive index is equal to actual depth divided by apparent depth. So h dash is the apparent depth. Apparent depth is equal to actual depth by refractive index. So actual depth is 2 divided by refractive index is 4/3. So 3/2, that is equal to 1.5. So 59th question answer is 1.5 meters. 60th question, when we sit at campfire the object beyond the fire are seen swaying because of refraction. If A and B are the speed of the light in the medium or refractive index, the medium respectively, then A is low when B is high. So here A and B are the speed of the light and medium refractive index. So both are inversely proportional. The refractive index of glass with respect to air is 2, the critical angle. Here the answer is 4. The reason is sin C is equal to 1/n, that is equal to 1/2, C equal to 30 degrees. The symbol used to draw ray diagrams is convex lens. If y and y/4 are the object and image distance, so we know 1/f is equal to 1/v minus 1/u. 1/v, actually 1/v, v distance of image is y/4, so 4/y. For the sign convention, the distance of object is taken as negative, so minus 1/u becomes plus 1/u, so 1/y. 5/y, 1/f is equal to 5/y, so f is equal to 5/5. Next, 65th question, a lens bounded by two spherical surfaces is double concave lens. 66th question, so a convex lens gives virtual image between the focal point and optic center when the object is placed. 67th question, so which among the following pair represent optically transparent and opaque media, ice and clay? If R1 and R2 radii of curvature, n is a refractive index, so the lens maker's formula is 1/f is equal to n minus 1 into 1/R1 minus 1/R2. That is the direct question. 69th question, in case of myopia defect, the image formed before retina. That is also direct question. 17th question, 70, the part of human eye which helps the eye lens to change its focal length is ciliary muscles. That is also direct question. The power of lens is 2.5d, its focal length is. So f is equal to, we know that f is equal to 1/p. If we subtract the value of p, 1/2.5, multiply both, so we both numerator and denominator with 10, we get 10/25. 10/25 is the meters. If you want to the answer in centimeters, multiply into 100, so we get 40 centimeters. 72, bifocal lens is used to correction presbyopia. That is also direct question. 73, pick the correct answer from the following two statements. So wavelength increased from violet to red, it is correct, but refractive index decreases from violet to red, but here they are given increases, so only A is true. The formation of rainbow is due to dispersion of sunlight by water droplets. That is also direct question. So here, if I1 and I2, the relation between I1 and I2 and A is I1 plus I2 minus A. Next, 76th question. The quantity which has unit ampere per second is electric charge, because Q is equal to I into T. Next, a bulb is marked 100 watts and 240 volts. The resistance of the bulb is 576 ohms. We know that R is equal to V square by P. So P is equal to V square by R. From that formula, R equal to V square by P. So here we substitute V value is 240. 240 into 240 by P value 100. So 576 ohms. 78. Electric fuse is used in household circuit for the purpose of preventing damages due to the overloading. 79th question. 4 resistors, each of the 2 ohms are connected in parallelogram, then each 2 resistance equivalent resistance is 4. So 1 by R is equal to, then the other opposite 2 resistance are in parallel. So 1 by R is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So 1 by R is equal to 2 by 4, R equal to 2 ohms. So 79th question answer is 2 ohms. 80th question. Ohm's law is applicable to metallic conductors. We all know that is also direct question. 81st question. Resistance of wire. Here they given L is equal to 0.5 meter, that is equal to 1 by 2 meters. A is equal to 1 millimeter square. Actually 1 millimeter is equal to 10 power minus 3 meters. So 1 by 10 power 3. Sorry, 1 by 10 power 3, that becomes 10 power minus 6. 10 power minus 6 meters. So R equal to 1 ohm. Rho is equal to RA by L. So R value 1 and area of cross section is 10 power minus 6 meters and L value 1 by 2. So it becomes 2 into 10 power minus 6 ohms. There is a for 10 power minus 3 in the bottom, that is wrong, 10 power plus 3. Okay. Next 8. So actual answer is 2 into 10 power minus 6. 82nd question. The area of current time graph gives electric charge because Q is equal to IT. Next, 2 resistors 3 ohms and 2 ohms are connected in series and the potential difference is 5 volts is applied across them. The potential difference across 2 ohm resistor is actually I is equal to V by R. So I value is 5 and total equivalent resistance in connected in series 3 plus 2 5. So 5 by 5 is equal to 1 ampere. So in the circuit the total current I is equal to 1 ampere. So voltage in the second resistance V2 is equal to IR2. So 1 into 2, that is equal to 2 volts. So answer is 2 volts. 84th question. Of the 2 bulbs in a house, one glows brighter than other. So brighter bulb has a larger resistance. 85. Pick the correct answer the following 2 statements. Kits of 2 statements are true. Okay. 86th question. Electric power kWh equal to 60 into 3 into 30 by 1000. So we get 5.4 kilowatt hours. 87th question. On increasing the resistance, on increasing temperature, copper resistance increases. Copper resistance because that is a metal, pure metal, and germanium resistance decreases. Germanium is metalloid, so semiconductors resistance with the temperature, the resistance will decrease. So next 88th question. V is equal to W by Q. We know that. So W is equal to V into Q. W is equal to work. So 12 joules. 89th question. 3 resistors are connected in series. So equivalent, that is direct question. So if you add 1, 0.1 and 0.01, we get 1.1 ohms. 90th question and last one. The scientist who proposed the metallic conductors contain large number of electrons is Durand and Lawrence. So Drew and Lawrence. Okay, thank you so much.